Rick Figueroa here. What I want to do is take a little bit of time to talk about business relationships. Um, this is, to me, probably one of the most important things that anybody could pay attention to, because this story's been with me for some time now, and I've been wanting to tell this story for a while. And basically, it comes down to you don't know who somebody knows. And having said that, I'll tell you, we did some work for somebody, and we did an exceptional job for them, way up and beyond the call of duty. And when it came down to them paying what they needed to pay, let's just say it didn't happen. It didn't happen the way it was supposed to. No big deal. We went ahead and just chalked it up to what, hey, it's doing business. That's the way they do business. It is what it is. Well, let's fast forward about 120 days later. I get a phone call from a good buddy of mine. My buddy asked me, he said, "Hey, do you know about such and such construction?" And I said, "Why, yes, I do." I go, "Why? Why do you ask?" He goes, "Well, they're actually bidding on one of my projects." He goes, "What do you know about them?" And I go, "Well, let's just say the project I was on was a little bit of a nightmare." Having said that, is that he said, "That's good to know because they bid this project over 300 grand over everybody else." Now, two things could have happened at that point in time. Had they done what they were supposed to do on my end when they did business with me, I could have told my buddy, I said, "Hey, they were phenomenal people to work with, incredible integrity, all this stuff." But instead I said, "Well, it was this, it was that, it was this, and I wouldn't recommend using them." So all I got to say is this: you never know who somebody knows in business. Treat everybody right. Go up and beyond the call of duty for everybody. And you just never know what one minor detail costs you down the road in the long run. So take care of your people. Take care of everybody you work with, and all should fall into place. Take care and God bless. And be sure to call us on your next project and find out why we defy average.